According to research, the hottest spot in the universe may be somewhere near the edges of a supermassive black hole. Even though the Sun is the hottest celestial body in our system, the temperatures it reaches pale in comparison to many other cosmic bodies. So where is the hottest place in the universe? Daniel Palumbo, a postdoctoral researcher in the Black Hole Initiative Research Group at Harvard University, said in a statement. Because, he said, it only feeds on gas. Palumbo added that the feeding zone is extremely hot, especially for black holes containing relative jet streams or massive beams of accumulated matter accelerated to very close to the speed of light. Palumbo stated that the hottest place ever measured in the universe is quasar 3C273, a brightly glowing region around a supermassive black hole about 2.4 billion light-years from Earth. According to the information shared by the Green Bank Observatory in West Virginia, the temperature in the center of this region is about 10 trillion kelvins. However, Daniel Palumbo added that there are some uncertainties surrounding this heat forecast. Supermassive black holes are extremely powerful, and most, if not all, are found at the center of a galaxy. As the name suggests, these black holes are supermassive. For example, Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy, has a mass millions of times greater than that of the Sun. Just like other black holes, quasar 3C273 has such a strong gravitational effect that nothing, including light, can escape its gravity. While this gravitational sink drain is cooler inland, the so-called accumulation disk in the orbiting gas ring is the opposite. As the molecules are drawn into the black hole at high speeds, the friction produced by the collisions between the materials there can release heats of trillions of degrees Celsius. To make a comparison, the surface of the Sun is 5,500 degrees Celsius. These temperatures are further increased as the black hole's extremely intense magnetic field blasts some of the surrounding matter into relativistic jets that can blast some of the surrounding matter millions of light-years into space, Palumbo said. On the other hand, according to Kaushik Chatterjee, a scientist associated with the Black Hole Initiative Research Group, the answer to where the hottest place in the universe is located may also vary depending on when you ask the question. While Kaushik Chatterjee agrees that black holes are probably the hottest regions, catastrophic events happen everywhere, but it must be the hottest place. The explosion that occurs when two massive celestial bodies collide can cause extremely high temperatures. For example, two neutron stars colliding, the collapsed cores of massive stars, can generate heat of 800 billion degrees Celsius, as cited in a 2019 study published in the journal Nature Physics. Chatterjee stated that a black hole colliding with a neutron star can also produce unbelievably high temperatures. However, these cosmic collisions are often temporary. Like a fire in the HAY.IT is difficult to examine the temperatures of celestial bodies at great distances, you can't easily measure it with a thermometer, Palumbo said, noting that it is also very difficult to determine the hottest place in the universe because there is so much uncertainty surrounding the exact temperatures of black holes. How is the measurement made? Rather, scientists measure the energy released into space from supermassive black holes, which can emit bright beams of light, radio waves, and X-rays. Researchers can predict heat based on patterns that affect the wavelengths of electromagnetic radiation produced by these sources. Richard Kelly, a senior scientist in NASA's Solar Research Division, said, "We expect light from very distant objects to reach our telescopes. When this light reaches the telescope, it enters a detector that can measure the energy or wavelength of the radiation. Then we create a spectrum, and by analyzing the spectrum, we can reveal its heat." Kelly stated that a future X-ray observatory called the X-ray Imaging and Spectroscopy Mission will help scientists more accurately measure the high-temperature gases navigating space. As more advanced instruments continue to be produced, scientists may discover areas even hotter than quasar 3C273. I can say that the materials orbiting supermassive black holes are evolving rapidly, although the tools we have to understand their temperature are limited, Palumbo said.